If your home feels messy, but you only have a few minutes, these 5 things will give you the biggest impact. Number 1, clear the main flat surface. Flat surfaces have a huge impact on how we see things in our whole entire home. By clearing them, you will get the most visual impact in the shortest amount of time. Things like counters, tables, and islands can tend to collect clutter pretty quickly. Clearing these off can immediately cause a room to feel cleaner, open, and a lot more calm. Pro tip for the surfaces: if you don't want them to get cluttered again, put something beautiful on it. Chances are it's less likely to happen because we don't tend to put clutter on top of our beautiful decorations. Next, be sure to put away stray items. A lot of items out of place can tend to give our home a sour appearance. So let's be sure to pick them up and put them where they go. But if you're super short on time, then just put them in a basket for now, but don't forget to put them away before the end of the day. This one thing alone can make the whole entire room feel more put together than it actually is. Another small thing that can make the room feel super put together is by fluffing pillows and folding blankets. Straightening out your throw pillows and adjusting your blankets can make a major impact in a small amount of time. These tiny adjustments tend to allow us to think that there's order even with minimal effort. We cannot forget the floors. Floors can make or break the appearance of our home, so be sure to do a quick sweep, mop, or vacuum of the areas. Clean floors make the room look instantly cleaner by default. Next, be sure that your bathroom is on point. You can do this by taking less than 5 minutes every single day and wiping your sink, your tub, and your toilet to always have a sparkly bathroom. You can just take a few minutes a day to wipe the mirror, the sink, the tub, and the toilet to always have a sparkly bathroom. Just having a clean bathroom alone can help to make the whole entire home give the illusion that it's clean. Not to mention, these 5 minutes every day can make deep cleaning a whole lot easier. But if you want even more simple homemaking tips, then check out this video here and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye!